Hey folks, hope you are enjoying your snow day. Today we're going to practice laws of exponents. We've done this before, and you can probably look in your folders and find, I can't remember what color it is, it's either a blue or a yellow foldable about the laws of exponents. But I did want to remind you just of the rules. We always, well, first of all, you may want to pause this and write this down because I realize you don't have the paper that I have. These are examples that are going to be on your Delta Math. So we always want to do a power to a power first. Okay. Okay. So power to a power, you'll be able to recognize it because it's an exponent that's sitting right outside the parenthesis here. And we actually multiply the powers here. And then don't forget, if there's a coefficient, you also have to raise the coefficient to that power as well. So this would be 2 to the second power, which is 4. And then t, and you multiply here, would be raised to the 10th power. Okay? And then after you do that, you just record everything else. Only take one step at a time. Okay? Now remember, when we have our like variables on the top and the bottom, sorry about that, I don't know why it won't stay. Okay. When we have our like variables on the top and the bottom, we subtract powers. So we have t, and when we subtract, we get the 8th power. And since the power is bigger on the bottom, the t goes on the bottom to the 8th power. We divide coefficients. This will not divide evenly. 3/4 is actually in simplest terms, so this would be your correct answer. And when you went to put that in there, you guys have done this before, but I think you would do 3, and when you hit the division bar, it'll make a division bar like this, and then you would do 4t to the 8th. Okay? Okay, so this is going to be your first level. I think you might have 5 or so of these. Okay? And then your second level in Delta Math gets just a little bit more challenging. Again, we always want to do power to a power first. We do these first, and then the second thing we do is rid the negative powers. So let's just jump in here. I'm going to do a power to a power, so this is going to be v raised to the negative 6th power. Okay, I'm going to bring everything else down just like it was. Like I said, let's take one step at a time. The next thing we want to do is we want to get rid of these negative powers. Now, these are not negative powers. These are negative powers, and hopefully we remember our rule that says flip to rid. So we are going to move v to the 8th power down, and it's no longer negative. We're going to move v to the 6th power up. It's no longer negative. A negative 3 divided by a negative 2 is actually a positive 3 over 2, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And now we are subtracting powers again. So the power on the v in the denominator is larger, so the v will end up in the denominator. 8 minus 6 is 2. So again, you would just go enter that in the box. 3, when you hit the division bar, it should put up a division bar like this, and you put 2v squared underneath. I know this is very challenging for you all. Actually, back when we did this for the first time and you practiced this in Delta Math, I just felt like we needed to practice this some more. So I don't know, I think you have about 10 problems in there. Okay, y'all have a good day.